Hello everyone, welcome back. Oh my, it's been a long time since I've started to stream, and Jesus, it's feeling completely new to me again. God, this is very weird to do this all again, but it's gonna be some fun, hopefully. Just trying to get everything sorted out, hopefully get this chat working and programming. So today I have a list of things I want to do. I want to go back to programming my Five Nights at Freddy's game with using Python with the module of Pygame, and I think that's all I'm going to use. If there's anything more, I'll do something else. And hopefully this will be good enough code like my last one. Just kidding, my code last time was really bad shit, I would say. But yeah, so this time I'm not going to have this chat on because it just seems like it's not working, and you could probably see better without it on. So let's get everything ready. I should have had this all sorted out. I'm sorry that it took a while. So what I'm thinking of doing today is hopefully making the main window pop up. That on the window shows the title screen. Then if you click a button on the title screen like new game, it would start up a new game. So I hope this all just works out, and eventually I'll add on and on to it so you can see like the progress of how it works. You just turn the music up so you could get a little bit of enjoyment out of it. So after that we'll load up the office, and if we have enough time we'll program the animatronics, but no hopes up for that. So if I'm rightly shown, let me show you this stream's on. Okay, so this is my game that I'm not using now. This was my little program that I've just tried to program, but I'm gonna make a new project. We're gonna call this Better FNAF. Better FNAF 1, because I've already named something like this. Better FNAF. I'll just do 1. Okay, let's make this window so we can get everything ready, and if my phone works I can hopefully get chat on. Okay, so there we go, this is working. Let's just get the basic stuff sorted out for now. Right, so hopefully this should be showing everything. Alright, I got my chat on. Let me just put my phone up slightly so I can see chat. And there we go. Perfect, now I can see chat. I can't see the stream, so whoops. Okay, so what we need to do, we'll need to first get the assets for the game. So let's just close this to save up some RAM space, because I don't have a lot of RAM. Alright, and we'll do one. This is how I got it before. Just search up this, and you've got the Google Drive. Click on the Google Drive, and you should have everything. Oh, we've got 2 viewers. Hello. And hopefully, there we go. We've got all of them. Some of them don't work. Like if I choose on FNAF 1, and let's go for textures. Oh no, wait. There is. Oh no, it doesn't matter. See, I was quite shocked for a second. Back on this. Alright, let's go FNAF 1. We're gonna download both of these textures. So FNAF 1, download. See, it's preparing the zip now. Should be still preparing to download. This is boring as fuck. Anything? Nope. Oh wait, no, it's downloading now. Alright. Before this all hopefully finishes, how are you guys doing today in this stream? It's been a really long time since I've done this, so kind of annoying. Oh god. Now I've just got to wait until it all downloads, and then we'll get into the main stuff. Or I could just program the window right now. I probably might do this. Alright, let's make the source folder and the resources folder. In the source we'll have one called settings, and this will have the resolution, and that is equal to the width and the height. And that is equal to, oh, what is it equal to? I think the width is like 1600. Okay, so 1600 by, I think it's 700, but I'm not 100% sure. This is why I need the assets. Alright, give me a second, guys. Let me just get the folder. Yep. Now I'm just gonna extract all and send this to the beta for now. My name, Python projects, beta for FNAF 1, and let's send this all to the resources folder. And hopefully it will all work, because if not, I don't fucking know. Done. There we go. Let's just stream live. There we go. So we've got these two now. They've got the sound from the animatronic jump scares or the running or whatever to the textures. Oh, my voice is dying. I don't know why. I think it's the hay fever. So we've got all of the good shit. Let's just get all of them and put them just in the resources folder, and we can get rid of the empty one. So let me first just have a check. Yeah, so this is Yeah, 1600. Oh no, that's it. Fused ion variable. Ending night 1. That's it. So 1280 by 720. 1280 by 720. 720 or 780. Fuck, I forgot already. 720, I was right. Okay. And we will also have a title equal to a string called Freddys. Those are just okay. Let's import Pygame. We need to download it as well because it don't come basic with it. And let's make a class of window. Don't know why I didn't type window. Let's have def initial. Oh, we also need to import the settings one that we've just made. So should be src, not scr. For soul. Refactor rename to src. From src dot settings import all. So self dot window or win, because I like to keep it short. Display dot set mode as the resolution. This is just setting the resolution of it. I might make a different function for the caption so I can check on what the FPS is in the caption. Maybe. I'm not sure. Need it. Yeah, so I'm just using this for my voice because I can't be asked using anything else. Everything's fine. I hope so. Yep, I'm still sharing my screen. I might just change this to something good. I don't know. I've just got the basic songs. Maybe I'll go for corruption or something. Alright. What should I do? I need to initialize it. So we set everything running. What's wrong? Nothing's wrong. I'm showing problems. So what do we need to do? Let's call it pg dot display dot set caption as the f string of title, and then we'll do, oh that's it, we need the clock. Actually, it's so dumb. Pygame dot time dot clock, because it's a function class, we need to brackets. Self dot clock dot get FPS, and I think it's colon dot 3. Or we may go 3, we'll go 3. And then we'll do the check events. This isn't a built-in function, it's just a normal custom one. You could call it whatever you want. And this will loop through the events. pg.event.get. and then we'll check if you press the close button. So if vent.type is equal to pg.correct, pg. We'll make a function of quit. This will be pg.quit, and we'll do exit, but also with exit we need to import system. Here we go, exit. What's the other stuff we need? We need the main loop, or we'll call run. And that will be, what will it be? That will be the main loop, the game loop. And this will have in it self dot clock dot tick, and we'll, so you can have as much FPS as you want, but it will still run at the same speed, if you kind of understand. So we'll call this delta time. Delta time just basically means, delta means change in, so delta time means change in time. So we're just checking how far the computer processes stuff. We'll also call self dot check events, self dot caption, then we'll do pg dot display dot flip, because we'll update the screen. And I think after that all we'll do is just run it to see how it works. Main main if statement, window is equal to window dot run. Let's see, I've got everything. It's just don't look right. So we got the screen running, no errors, that's fine. It's just a lot of FPS, it just says. Let's just get the FPS. Jesus, yeah, that's a lot of FPS. About 1,000 frames a second we're getting. Jesus. We're getting over 1,000 frames per second just from sharing one window. Look at that. Jeez. Okay, so if you want to see that we're actually programming, we'll do the window and we'll change the color. Let's color it to red. Yeah. Oh shit, that's fucking bright. Yeah, so as you see, red, you kind of understand. It is quite hard, to be honest, to understand. Like, this took me about like a year. Like, I've been programming since I was in year 10. Like, I really got into it in year 10, and now I've finished my school now. Whippy. So won't be needing to do any more school, but like, I've been doing this since year 10. I don't know if you understand, because you might be in different countries, but it's not long, to be honest. It's about 2 years I've been into this, and all I'm doing is just making a window. I'm going to try to make Five Nights at Freddy's a massive game. So we've got the window showing. Let's try and load an image. So in source we'll make a new folder, or file even, called support. And let's make a function called load assets. And let's do, we won't do anything in there yet. Oh wait, no, we do actually. We need to get the path. Now, actually we'll print the path to see that it's working. Source dot support import all. Let's just import. What do we need to do? We need to go through textures to go into the the title screen. Let's call this the last one. One, two, three, and then it goes Freddy face. Let's call this then 0, 1, and this one will be 2. So there we go, we've got it in file. We'll just copy this path, copy reference the path root, and we'll go into settings and we'll make a thing called title screen. I know it needs to be one word. Title screen Freddy, that equals to that. So my brain's just gone completely blank. Well, let's just load it inside the initial. So load assets, and then we'll do title screen Freddy, and then hopefully if we run this, it does print it. So boom, we've got it. So now we can just focus on this. We'll do a loop, so the enumerate loop, so we can get two values, the index and the individual values. For index, val in enumerate, we need to walk it, don't we? I don't know why I've done curly brackets. Walk, and then we'll need to do path. Print value. Oh shit, we need to import this from OS, don't we? OS import, and let's have a look what we got. We get the name of the path of it, we get if there's any other files inside it, inside that path, and then we get the individual files. We're just looking at the individual files, so let's go 0, 1, 2. So we're going to look at the second one. So we'll loop through the second. For I in value 2, so this row, print individually. So we get all of these now. Oh shit, I can't highlight. We get all of these into the program now. I don't know if there's any other way of trying to make it better, because we are loading this in every single time you run the game. It'll just have to be like that, because this is already in the game folder. Will it? Yes, it will. It will. So, we've looped through the individual things. Let's make an empty string called images equals an empty string. Oh, a list, sorry. We need to make the folder, this, because we've just got the images, we need to make it into a Pygame image, because Pygame converts it to its own format. So we also need to import Pygame. If I can spell import right. Import Pygame as PG. Pygame. PG dot image dot load. Now we need to do path plus slash plus I. Then this will be called, let's call it full. And then it will be images.append full. God, that is loud. Was that loud for you guys? Alright, we've almost got shine. Let's go shine now. Is that quiet? I don't know. You guys see alright? Okay. So we'll import it and then we'll return it. Return images. So now when we call it, we'll give it a variable called Freddy equals this. And let's print Freddy. And then it should, there we go, gives us all of the Pygame formats. So as you see, the resolution, I think that's the color. Yeah, so you see that. So now we've done that, let's just call it Freddy images to be more cool and cheesy. Actually, I could make my own function to just load all the images. Def load all. Alright, let's just take this. Now when we've while this is all running, so we've made the window, made the clock, and then it'll eventually do all of this. While it's loading the first initial, we'll load the images. Oh, that's all. Okay, so now I don't know why I'm doing it in here actually. No. Let's not load it in there because then that'll be very bad because it's just the window. We're not making the screen yet. Let's just new game. Need to make and then we'll do a new file. This will be called main menu. Let's do SPG import. I think we might need settings, and we'll also definitely need to import support. Import all. Okay, so let's make a class. Main menu. Self dot win equals pg dot display dot get surface. So we're getting the surface that we're using. We'll just print something to see that's working. Print dd. That's cool. We also need to import this again. From source dot main menu import all. Main menu equals main menu. Def. Don't know why I don't know. No. Self. New game. And we'll do it in here. But we haven't called anything. Let's just run it. Yep, there we go. Print DD. Perfect. We'll go update right now, even though we're not using it yet. And we'll also need to load the assets as well. And this would be load assets equal Freddy title screen. It's called Freddy list equals. We won't go capitals. Freddy list equals that. So this gives us a still image, the same image. Freddy. Freddy place. Also replace the Freddy. So self.win.blit. We'll do the. We need to make it self so we can. Self.Freddy list, and we'll do the first image. And then we'll place it at 0,0. Freddy place. Self dot and menu dot update. No, because what is going on? Freddy list, Freddy place, Freddy place. No, I didn't. Confusion. I am. This is Freddy list. I don't know why it's saying print self.Freddy list 1. No. Let's put this here. Oh, it's because I didn't call the load image function. So, load assets. I need to call that. See? Debug. There we go. He places it in the middle of the fucking screen. Still getting over 700 frames a second though. Fucking amazing. Okay. What resolution is this? 39 by that. Do I need a calculator? Do I really need a calculator? Alright. Let's get a calculator. So what is it? 16, is it 1600? Oh no, was it? Fuck, I don't even know anything anymore. I'm going to put this further down so I can see. So, it is 1200. No, 1280. Take away 930. 350, so we'll place it on 350. And then we will get the calculator again. We will do 720. Take away 523. Why does it have to be so awkward? 197. Now hopefully this will be at the bottom. There we go. It looks so shit. What the fuck? Whoa. Why is it so fucking small? Fine. Self dot Freddy list equals pg dot trans dot scale self dot Freddy list. We'll have to loop through it again, won't we? Yeah, we'll have to fucking loop through it. Let's just do it in here, I can't be asked. Resize. List, comma, width, comma, height. So then we'll just do for I in path or list even. So we'll loop through every single list. We'll have to make a new list, so I am cheese equal new list. So what are we going to call it? Shit, okay, I need to just memorize this, so you don't need to give it a variable name. This is some good confusion I'm getting. Let's just call it temp equals pg dot transform dot scale list I. Transform this to the width and the height. I don't know why I'm the height. I think this has to be in a bracket as well. And then I'm g's dot temp. So then we need to return temp. No images. Okay, so hopefully self dot Freddy list equals resize self dot Freddy list to the width and the height. Why? We might have to just do for I in the length of the list. No. Int object not iterable. Why? Wait, I'll probably have to do fucking enumerate. Enumerate. I'll have to turn this to I, v in the list. There we go. Yeah, we're finally fucking done it. I'm actually quite proud of myself for that. 0, 0. The glitchy bitch you are. Alright, so we've loaded the Freddy assets. Oh, now we've got to place it all. Okay. So from random, we need to import the random integer. Randint. Okay. So let's go just a a temporary variable called 1 that equals randint. Let's go 0 to 1,000. Then 2 equals random integer 0 to 1,000. And we'll do if. We'll edit this as it goes along. So if 1 is greater than or equal to, let's go 200. You know, I don't think it's better to put multiple window blitz, so we'll just do status. So after we've loaded this, we'll do self.Freddy underscore img underscore status 0. So if it is that, then Freddy status equals 0. No. Self.win.blitz self.Freddy image under fuck, why is this so long? Jesus. Freddy status, comma, 0, 0. So now this should just loop through. No, Freddy list, where? Yeah, that's right, I didn't mean image, I meant list. Yeah, move your head, bitch. Fuck. Why is this taking so long? I don't know. Let's go. Yeah, so I think it's better with 200. But we'll then do another if statement in here. If 2 is greater than or equal to 200, self.Freddy status equals 2, else self.Freddy status equals 3. Glitch? Yeah, we got the glitch. Yeah, I do know how to code. Yeah, I've been doing this for about 2 years. Sorry, I don't know if you sent that a while ago. Yeah, I do know how to code a little bit. I've been programming for 2 years since I was in year. I was doing it first in year 7, but I never got into it. But until like year 10. I kind of got an interest to me, so then I just started doing it at my house because no one at school knew how to do it, and I slowly getting better, and the stuff that I'm doing right here is what A-level or college students should be doing. So it's going to be quite impressive, yeah. This is just a coding stream. I know it says I'm like playing Five Nights at Freddy's, but there is nothing for like game development of FNAF. So I'm just saying I'm creating Five Nights at Freddy's in Python because it's my project or code that I know the best of. So we also need, we'll do this as 600. If is less than or equal to, let's go 300, and then we'll do in here else self.Freddy status equals 1. That looks good, right? Bit too jittery, maybe. Let's just put this up to like 3,000. Maybe like 2,000. Yeah, it looks alright, I guess. Don't know, maybe a bit more? But also welcome to the stream. I actually don't know when you came into stream. I'm sorry about that. But yeah, I've been programming for a while. It's got the good music on now. Okay, get rid of the calculator because we don't need that anymore. Because I have got a big brain and I know how to do maths. So we've done the Freddy placement. Don't know, this all took me so long and I don't know why. It took me almost an hour to create the basic window and this and the settings and the support. I'll put the support over there because it's different spots. God, I don't know why this is probably really boring for you guys, I'm sorry. Okay. I don't know. Maybe, give me a second. Okay, I'm back. I know. So we've done the Freddy placement. We need to do the UI. That'll probably be a bit difficult, but shouldn't. Also at the same time. Oh, fuck. This is something I do need to do quickly. Transparent color equals, and this x6, so can't spell that good. It equals a tuple of 90, 90, and 90. That is the transparent color. Fine, I'll fucking modify it for you to make it look better. There we go. I really as well want this to go away, but I don't know how to. So I can't see a lot of people's messages. Like I can see that. It's just nothing else. That's kind of annoying. Okay, so what are we going to do now? We are going to put the UI on, and the UI is in. Is it in static? No, because that's just static. Resources G1? No. Title screen. Shit, this is. I'm gonna have to search through a lot. So 4.4 is what we need. So let's just do a new thing called main. This is the main stuff that we're going to use. So 4.4. Nope. We're going to need this one as well. So 4.4.8. We might need 4.4.9. Yep, we'll need that one as well, because that's going to indicate custom night, demo, version 1. Not really a lot, anything else. Okay, fine, I'll format the fucking file again. You happy? Yeah? You got it? Okay. Well, no, I won't do that, because it's fine as it is. I do my own rules here. Okay, so we need to get this. So let's copy the path directory. Let's do title underscore screen. And this one's just going to be called UI. And that equals to the list of the path. Okay, so now we'll do the same stuff as this. So we'll loop through it. Self dot, and we don't need to program anything more for the custom functions because we already know what they do. Self.ui equals load assets. What's it called? UI. Yeah, and that's fine. I don't think it needs resizing. Let's just do a new function. Def place underscore UI. UI. We need the blah blah blah, and then we need. Let's just split it quickly. Self.window.split self.ui and 0 at 0,0. Self.place UI. Yay! But we also no, it doesn't matter. I do need to make a new function for the UI. I could just do it in the load assets. False. If transparent, then we'll do pg dot. Is it tran? No, it's it is. Oh my god, I'm so confused. pg dot image dot set color key. Oh no, we just need to get full the set color key, and that is we need to get settings. Import everything. It's parent color. So we automatically set it to false, but this one will do parent equals true, not title true. Please work. No. Well, there is something called fucking SRC dot. Hey, I've actually done something that's fucking using my brain. But you can't lie, that looks a pretty good, like, Freddy little twitch. If you want, I could try and make this a bit more rarer. Hey, that looks pretty good, you can't lie. You can't lie, that looks really good. Let's put it at like something. Oh, this one like a 50-50. 25-25 maybe. It's good enough. Then we'll need to get the. So we've got. No, we don't have that. Yeah. One. Okay, one is new game. So 0. Self.window blit. Self.ui 1 at 222. Oh no, let's just go 50. No, even further down. 250 by 50 by 250. 300. I don't know, it's... No, up at fucking 30. 300. Okay. If any of you guys have suggestions of like what I could add to this, please tell me. Because like, brain isn't working that well. Let's put some more music back on. Just need it. Well, I'd say it's looking pretty legit right now. Even though that's using a slow programming language of Python. But it's easy and it's the only one that I know. I'm trying to learn Java, but it's really hard. Probably just get rid of these, because that's just like a... Oh, they're only bytes though. Oh, you can see the numbers. I don't really need any of these. Okay, so we've placed this. What is the width equal to? If we need to get the mouse position, so x comma y, no, yeah, x comma y equals pg dot mouse dot get position and click equals pg dot mouse dot get pressed. So if what's the minimum? What's the maximum? The minimum would be, so we're just going to see if you hover over it. The minimum is, what did I set it at? X, no, we need the Y first. Let's just do the Y because it might be just easier. The Y would be 300, so the minimum's 300. And the maximum is, what did I? The X, Y, no, I need to just, the Y position, so it'll be, oh, so it's 300 plus 33, so 330. Print Y, or EY. That's incorrect, because it should be printing it about this. Nothing there, here, but it's only printing it down here. I think it's actually this one. Yeah, okay, I did get it wrong. Alright, now, if X, now the X, the starting position for X is at 50, or the minimum, the maximum is, how big is it? 23, so 23 plus 50 is 253, 253. And we'll do self.win.lit self.ui. I think it's 0, 1, 2, 3. At 0, 300. You need to move that. Hey, look at that. Yeah, that's really good. I like that a lot. Maybe put it down like a tiny bit. 310. Like the tiniest bit. That's a bit too much. 3.5. Maybe through 3 to be honest, because individual pixels, I just like the look. It looks like it's going off screen to be honest. It's weird, it like my eyes. It's cool though, I can't lie, it's cool. Okay. I'm just been live for about an hour and only done not even the title screen. I thought I'd be done the fucking office by now. Shit. Oh fuck. Let me do if click 0. Then we'll do print run game. If I can spell any better. There we go. Yeah. And 500 FPS? Fuck. Remember that was like 1,000 before. Okay. Run game. Let's make a. We're gonna make the newspaper. That is the newspaper, and then title screen. Okay, so let's make a new file in the source, new, called the main game. And then to class main. I need to actually reformat that because it will be very inconsistent. Sorry. Lowercase. Main game. Initialize self.win equals pg.dis dot get underscore surface. And I need to import Pygame. Nope, I don't import custom. Import Pygame as PG. What does it mean it's not? PG.display.getSurface. And then we'll print new game, and in here we'll do actually we'll do it down here. Def new underscore game equal, and that is equal to self dot main game as equal to main. We need to import main game. Import all of the main game. Main game. Where did I put import PG? Oh. There we go. Yay, new game. This is really long. Okay, we'll need to do like a little Boolean thing. So self dot new underscore game underscore bool, because it will be different, equals false. If self dot game bool, let's just do if not. So if else self dot in-game dot update. Now we'll need to make if update, and here we'll just print D. This is really long. I'm sorry if it's boring for you guys. It is probably the annoying bits to make a new class, but it will get interesting, hopefully. Okay, so we've clicked it. Actually, we need to turn it to self dot bool equals true. There we go. So it all stops. So what we could do here, black screen. So self dot window dot fill black. And then boom, it's black. Then we're back up to 600 frames a second. This is a type of game I like to play. Okay, so if you guys get any confused with the programming or any code, just tell me, because I will explain it in depth. Because people who have watched me in the past, when I comment on streamers, I get really crazy over programming. They have no clue what they're saying. So if you tune into the stream and you want to know, just ask me any questions, like any questions with what this does, or why did I put this, or why did I put transparent equal false, or instead of making my own function, or any code of this or these, really. Anything you ask me, I will say in the best of my ability, because I'm pretty bad at explaining, but I will do my best. Okay, so let's get the, where is the newspaper first? No. Could be in static. That's a lot of static, hallucination. That's a creepy bomb ass place. Title screen, nothing in title screen. This must be in yeah. Resources, title screen. No, nothing. Oh, night transitions, that's probably it. Nope, 5 AM. I don't know where the fuck is it? Camera, custom light, it's probably like GUI. No. I'm gonna have to really sort this out. Ew. Completely lost where is it? It was just custom. is the newspaper? How have I lost it? It's just completely submerged in all of this. Scares doors, that's just the office, but there's screens, cameras. Okay, now it's just a camera flip up. Scares, the fan, the doors. That's gonna be a fucking lovely thing. Just door lights. Rooms, no. It's just disappeared out of my fucking sight. I might need the clock, but everything else could probably go. That's just a hassle. Okay, I'm just gonna check, I'm gonna quickly just check of where it is. Oops. I'm just gonna check on the internet of where, if there is one, to be honest. Or if I'm just gonna have to download one off the internet. Resources. Yeah, I think I might just have to download one off the internet. So, FNAF 1 newspaper. Save. Have I got to search for it again? Made assets. Test Python. Let me just try and find. High game projects. Better FNAF 1. The resources, the texture. Let's go. Ooh, title screen. File name is newspaper. Yeah, it is the PNG as well. Okay, that's good. Alright, sorry guys. There we go. Okay, so I've now got it downloaded in the title screen. If I know where I'd put it. I swear I downloaded it. You're a joke. Oh my god, okay. Wait there, looks like it's not going to be there. Give me another quick second. Because I swear I just downloaded it and placed it. Where is it? Oh, it's in the other title screen, okay. Doesn't matter guys, I know where it is. I know where it is, it's here. Look, help wanted, but it's completely the different size. That is 300 bytes. Oh, that's going to be really blurry when I zoom it in. Who cares though? Who cares? Let's just call it once, because we only are. Self.paper equals pg.image.load. V. Need to put it into a string. And then we'll have to resize it. So self dot paper equals. I need to do it in here. From source dot support import all. Probably won't need to. No, will, because there's multiple images, so I will need to import all. Resize self dot paper, and we'll need to put it as the width and height. So width, comma. Alright, let's have a look. New game? Nope, because the fucking thing isn't a list. Wait, no, I don't need to resize it, do I? Fucking idiot. Because it's not a list, I could just do it once. Transform dot scale self dot paper, comma, width, comma, height. Now, work. No, why? Fuck. I need to do the brackets. Like, because the brackets are so important. There we go. It's done. It's fucking done. Split. Self dot paper. And I need to do the coordinates, or else there'll be another fucking error. 0, 0, 0. Split. Boom. Oh god. Oh, what the fuck? Oh god. That is the blurriest shit I've ever seen. What the fuck? God. Fuck. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Could I see on the internet if there's a better... I'll see if there's a better one. Alright, come up here. Come up to newspaper. Does it show me the resolution? Well, it fucking said 1280 by... It says 1280 by 720. You're lying shit. You're fucking lying, you are. Save. Fucking JPEG. Newspaper. Yes, replace. Oh no, it doesn't matter, it's a PNG. Is it better? Nope, it's fucking worse. Oh my god. Oh god, I need you to see this one. Look at that. Ready? Nice, clean, and then fucking blurry as shit. Looks like we're gonna try and find a better one. You know, fuck it, I'm not gonna close stream. I can't be asked actually download. That's probably why I'm not actually downloading. Saved it as the wrong name. Let's rename it. Like rename. Yes. PNG. I don't care. Yes, I don't care. Delete. This will be just newspaper. Now, run. Fuck. Alright. I don't trust other websites, so I'm just gonna avert your guys' eyes so I don't get banned if something bad happens. Is it better? Oh, that's really good. That's really good. Okay, that's good. There we go. We've got something that kind of works. Boom. Boom. There's those black outlines, but I don't care anymore. I don't fucking care. Alright. Let's go quickly. If you want to hear anything else, probably something. Let's go shine. So, we've blitted this on. We're gonna need a timer and then blah blah blah, all the other good shit. So let's go. Def. Newspaper is a function that we'll need the delta time for. After paper, newspaper, delta time. How many delta times am I gonna have to put? Why did I put it there? Comma delta time. No, st delta time. Now this also goes into the main. Delta time. Delta time. Oh, we also wait. Why do we need it now? What? But we don't need delta time for you. Why have I need to put it in the figure? Delta time, sure. What fucking hell? Oh, that's why. Let's put it in there. But it don't need to be in there, don't it? It needs to be in the update. Delta time. Delta time. And this update goes to this update. So delta time. And we've already got delta time, so if I look back, put that back. Yeah, that's fine. This ain't fine. Why? Does it work? Yes, okay, everything's working. So we need delta time so we can have a timer for the fucking thing to pop. So we'll do a thing called self dot paper underscore timer, and that equals 0 for now. And we'll do print self dot paper timer plus self dot paper timer times delta time. Sorry, went silent because I was confused. Yeah, it don't fucking work. Fuck yes. Why? Oh, this needs to be a... I think it's a... Like, 1 would be the slowest, right? This needs to be add as well, right? Or is it multiple? I don't know anymore. Alright, let's just try it. Self dot equals self dot paper timer plus 1 times delta time. No, because I didn't print it. Print self dot timer. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so we did get it right. So now it's counting up seconds. So 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 10 1,000, 11 1,000. So it's going 1 a second, but then if we do this, it will go like 5 times a second. So it will be even faster. So it will count up 5 every 1 second. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It'll go really fast. But then if you want it really slowly, you can go into the 0.1, and this will go like super slow. Like, oh, it's not even that because I won't fuck it up. Not point, not a comma. There, look, it's going really slow. Not even 1 second left. As you see, this one's here is the seconds. This here is the milliseconds. So we've got the timer right. Now we just need to do a loop. So if self dot, don't know why it's capitals now, self dot paper timer is greater than or equal to, let's go 3 seconds. Let's make a boolean as well. False. Self dot start equals true. Then we need to do if self dot start, do the newspaper, else print starts, sure. If this works, wait, actually let's make it a bit quick, so like 1 a second. So 1 second. Okay, perfect. There we go, 3 seconds and it's running. We need to blit it. So I can't be asked like turning the paper transparent and then showing it again. So let's just blit it on there. Self dot win dot blit self dot paper at 0,0. I'm not gonna run debug, and I was almost just fucked up the whole string. There we go. Press this, boom, 1, 2, 3, and it should, boom, start. We're fucking doing this. Oh, I am so fucking tired. I've only been streaming for an hour and 30 minutes. Oh, why is this killing me so badly? Oh god. Okay, what do we need now? So we've done that. Should we just get into the main stuff? Should we not just have another night like it is? Night 1, or should I have a night 1? Because I'm not sure. Still like that. I might just have it as we'll just get straight into it. So let me find where the room. No, it's not the rooms, it's the office. This one, yeah, we need this. We need all of these, basically, all of them. So let's go for a new one, new file called office. Okay, all of them except for the last one. copied all of them into the office. And let's just copy this and we'll go back to settings and do the amazing stuff again. This time I'm not calling it title screen, we'll call it main game office equals string of that. Brilliant, we're almost getting there. By the way guys, this is also going to be a multiple streamed thing, and it's going to be hopefully every single day. I should be doing it tomorrow. If I'm not doing it tomorrow, then I am sorry, but I will not be editing this unless I'm streaming, just saying. So all of this is going to be on stream, and if you can't stick around to be on stream, there's my YouTube channel. If you type up !YouTube, that will give you my link to my YouTube channel, and you can see it all again. This is it will be an unedited version of the stream, so it'll be the raw footage, everything. Hopefully, if I don't have any fucking copyrighted music, you can hear my voice as well. And if you want to try this yourself, in my, hopefully, if I get it all working, in my YouTube description, it would have my source code as well. So if you want to tinker with it, you go right ahead. This is all going to be free. I'm not allowed to sell it for money, but I will give this for educational purposes, just for free, so you can mess around to see what I did and how to program. So make sure to go onto my YouTube as well to check that. Everything on my YouTube is just my Twitch streams, so nothing big or anything or edited, because I don't really go on YouTube a lot or to post videos. No, I don't know. Probably need to do something here. Yeah, here. Transparent. Okay, so we've got the start, and when we start, we will do the self.office. I don't know why I sounded American when saying that. Office. And then this will have self.window.lit. Shit, no, we need to actually do the load everything. Load all. Load all, and this will have self.office, call it img, equals load assets, main game office. Easy, done and dusted. Self.office, we'll go for the first one in the list, and we'll do this at 0, 0. And hopefully 1, 2, 3. Yeah, don't fucking work. Brilliant. We need to fucking call it. How do I keep forgetting to call? Actually, no. I'll do this all in once because it's all about the paper. I'll do self.load all. 1, 2, 3. What the fuck? What resolution is the fucking office at? Why is the office at that? What the fuck? Nah, there's no way. What? Why is the resolution of the office image that title screen, get rid of that, and let's just go for something like the rooms. Backstage. Bonnie. Why is the fucking that one bigger? 16 by 27. But mine is 72, yeah. But this one's a little bit bigger. Yeah, then why is the... Oh, I've got to resize it. Fine, let me fucking resize it. Self.office img equals resize the office images at 1600, 700. No, 720. 1, 2, 3, go. Boom. I think that's good. Yeah. It'll be good enough, I guess. Yeah, sure, we'll go with this. I'm just thinking about it because it's quite blurry. Like, you can see the individual little pixels because we've extended it, so just the pixels be bigger. Like, you can obviously clearly see. Like, I'm just worried about the fan. I'll have to do, because the fan moves about. So self dot. Let's move about. So let's see. Let's call it the office X. So the office X position. I mistaken that. Self dot office X. We need to do the X and Y. Actually, let's just get rid of this so you can't be like blinded. X comma Y equals PG dot mouse dot get position. And then we have to do some maths. That's brilliant. I love maths. So if the X, so we're just checking the X. So if the X, we'll just do if it is greater than. If it is greater than, what's the half of it is 4, 5, 17. Let's go like 500. Maybe 600. No, 500. If it is greater than 500, then self.office X plus equals. Let's go 300 multiplied by delta time. And we need delta time again. That lovely thing. Why we're doing delta time? It's because if you have a really fast computer, you will move really fastly. But if you have a slow computer, you can move really slowly, and then you'll get jump scared because you can't close the door quickly. So delta time will check how basically the difference between each iteration or each time, and then it will calculate the speed that you should. So this really slow computer, multiply it by 2 or 3. So this 3 would become 600 or 900 or 1200. But then if you've got a really fast computer, it'll be like 0 point something. So this 300 would be much more slower. So let's have a look. I might actually just... Okay, done it the wrong way, but it still works. Yeah, so that looks pretty good. Maybe I'll put it as 400. Like 400 the speed actually as well. I will. Let's just comment the delta time so it'll be super fast. Boom. Yeah, I think that'll be a good enough speed. And then we'll also have to do collisions for the thing. So, but let's do elif self dot pay no, because this isn't all that I'm doing. This is why I like to close it down. So elif x is less than or less than, wait no, if it's greater than that, this should be minus equals elif comment that okay, probably like 600. Yeah, maybe 700 to be honest. It might be better for 7. That's gonna be an error. 700. So now we're just gonna get the yeah, that's good. 700 is speed, and then we'll do elif is less than 300 self dot office x plus equals 400 times delta time. So now we can move. Boom! Look at this, people. We're actually doing it. Yeah, why it looks like glitchy is because we're updating the screen, but because we're updating it, we're only moving the camera or the camera. We're moving the image. We're not moving the actual player's position or the player's look, the field of view. So if we go off of the image, it's just going to be an updated version of this. As you can see, you can still see all of it is just literally just the picture, just looping over and over again to place it down, because we're going out of the limitation. And it's always going to be like that, it's nothing else. So yeah, there's no outer bounds if you're trying to look. It's just going to keep on looping over like this. Okay, so, but now we're going to try and make some boundaries. So the first one's easy. With this, we'll do if self.x is less than or equal to 0, then we will do self.officex. Self.officex equals 0. So then, if we try and move this way, it does greater than. Maybe. Yep, there we go. So we can move that way, it will just stop when we hit it there. Look, even though that I'm trying to move this way, boom, it just stops there. The hardest one, it's not like hard, but the harder one would be trying to work out that one. Let's just do it then. Elif self.officex is greater than or equal to 32, 320 even. That's just a random guess, by the way. Self.officex equals 320. Oh shit. What the fuck? No. Okay. Let's print. My code looks so rubbish. Self.officex. So we need to know where we go. So. Oh, we're actually going minus. So if it is less than minus. We got like minus, yeah, the minus 300. Elif self.officex is less than or equal to minus 300. Self.officex equals minus 300. Boom, boom. Alright, we've done it. We've done movement in the office. Mike Schmidt, who cares? Oh god, this is really hurting my head. My brain is pulsing. Ouch. Alright. Please say if you guys get entertainment from this, because I hope so. I haven't done this in half a year streaming. So boom, we've got this working, yay. So we can now take that out. Or will we? Fan, where's fan? Please say the fan's big enough. Should be. It better be. Because it's probably just this asset pack. But it's gonna have to do. I had a better one. I probably should have used my one. Like, it was a much more better one that I used for my old game. Actually, I'll probably... It's better... Oh, I don't know if I deleted it, though. Let's have a look. Let's have a look if I have my original. Oh, might. Alright, so this is my old Five Nights at Freddy's game. So the to-do list was, even now you can see what the fuck is going on. So here is the night one, class night one. We actually implemented sounds in this, because of the mixer. But look at this. I had to individually add the images, and I have no clue why I did this. I probably had no idea what the lists were, so I don't know why I did this. Look, percentage, I done this all individually. You know, this one is my longest piece of code, 1,000 lines. Let's see what it does. I cannot run this. Oh, fine. Alright, wait there, let me try and find the file. So it's the main.py. Edit configuration. Python test. Apply, okay. Shit. Jesus. Turn that down a bit. As you can see, music. So look. So a fucking glitch there that I didn't know what was going on, so I was like, fuck it, let's just go. It does turn or turns transparent. That was kind of cool. And then this. But then it's still going on in the background. It looks kind of cool. Very jittery. And very fucking loud. And the fucking guys have already gone. I don't know why it's so loud. Even in my headphones, can you hear it? So, the guys are gone. Oh, there's Chica. There's Bonnie. Look, so like, obviously, blah, he died. Scary. I actually got jump scared once by this. But then if you... Boom, there's my favorite fucking glitchy ass Freddy. I love you, Freddy. And then, look, boom. Close the door. The animations are sick. Where are they? I have no clue. They're probably still at the door. Are you still at the door? Yep, you are. Hi, Chica. Yeah, look, it's 9 AM already. I completely fucked this game up, or this one. It is kind of good. Like, if you... The specific animatronic will kill you. Like, you want Bonnie to kill you? Boom, Bonnie kills you and die. And you die. The worst thing... Oh, look at this. Individually programming to load every image of the jump scare. It's so bad. Yeah, thank God I'm never doing that stuff again. It's more advanced, like making your own function to make a list this time. Fucking past Josh. You make a list and you loop through it, and you can even make a custom thing to make it transparent, or make a new one to resize it. Damn, past me was a dumbass. Okay, so, but it was kind of good though. Music as well. I still can't get music in my head. I don't know how I passed or done that in the past. Alright, so this and this. I'm gonna do the fan now. So where's the fan? The fan is here. Let's copy the path. No, copy the path. Let's go into settings. Fan equals list that. Okay, let's go here. I don't know why I've got that out. Okay, let's get rid of the newspaper because we're not gonna use that. We might need to fan self. To be honest, if you guys do get bored of programming, I will play other games as well, because I have a lot of games, like over 100 games. Probably not the ones that you have or you want me to play, but there's a few games that are quite interesting to me. But my main passion is programming, so I'm gonna stick with programming. And if you guys want me to play something different, I'll show you my library and we'll play something different. But right now we're gonna do a new thing called self.fan_timer equals 0. Yep, and that's gonna be a self.fan timer equals self.fan timer plus, we've got to make it fast, so let's go like 5 times delta time, my good old friend fucking delta time. I fucking hate you. Delta time. I can't even close down this, so it's just going to be a big long piece of code. Okay. So we place the office down, we'll need to, oh no, we'll do the load. Self.fan_img equals load assets fan. Then we'll do in here just quickly self dot win lid self dot fan. Let's go for the first one, comma self dot office x comma 0. So because we need to call it, go under here, self dot fan delta time. Boom, it's up there. Now let's go, let's say it's like if that, let's just do an estimate. How big is it, the fan? It is 100 down, so it's like 200. Oh wait, let's have a look again. So that is about 200. Let's go, this is 0, 200, 300, maybe 300 down. Estimation, just do a quick estimation. Let's do plus 300 and the, no, it's not this, it'll be the y. 300, let's have a look. Yeah, that's about right. And then let's go to the x, that's like half, so this is where it starts. More than half, so 600, let's go 600. Close, 700. We got to make it pixel perfect, so close. 800. This is what it's going to be like until we get it all the way right. That's good. A little bit less though. I'd say 40 less. So 760. A little bit more. 770. A little bit more. 780. I think that's good. We just need to put it down a little bit more. So 5. Up 1, 4. I was close. Up 1 more, I bet. 3. To be honest, it looks good. It's just like, it can't zoom in, so that's good. You probably won't see it in the naked eye. Maybe 2.5. 3.5. I'm really like picky on this. I'm literally now just looking at the pixels. I'm going 2. No, 1 down. Fuck this. I'm just going 303. Yeah, look, that's fine. Look, you won't be able to see it because you're mainly focusing on the animatronics and the cameras anyway. So let's just fucking edit this shit. So, self dot fan timer. This would spin until it's not going to work anymore. So we also need to add a thing. So if self dot fan timer is greater than or equal to the length, not load, of self dot fan image, then self dot fan timer equals 0. So now hopefully it don't work. Turn this into int. Hopefully that works. No, it don't. Oh, because it just stops after that. Else do this. Still don't work. Good. Works. But then it's out of range. So if self dot fan timer is greater than or equal to the length of self dot fan image, self dot fan timer equals 0. Else self dot fan timer equals self dot fan timer plus 5 multiplied by delta time. Still out of range. Let's do like a little buffer thing. So minus 0.5. A kind of works. Look at that. Let's be a bit faster though, maybe like 15. Good, we're slowly getting there. How about if we turn this into 25, because I want it to look really fast. bigger buffer. Let's just make it super fast. 40 times a second. Boom, that is really fast. It's good. Look, you see that? There we go. Fan is moving, everything's working. I've been almost live for 2 hours now. Fuck. Hey though, it's kind of cool. Might want to increase the speed actually. Let's go like 500 a second. 600 maybe. We're pushing about 400 frames a second, but we're still going quite smoothly. So that's why we use delta time, because you can show off how many frames you've got. Just cooler. Actually, I'll probably make it more easier to see. Do square brackets here. Your FPS is, boom, there. 400, 500 frames a second. There we go, so it shows your FPS, but it's pretty useless because it don't really work, because it's still going to stick as your, because it kept as an integer. I'm a dumbass. There we go, look at that. Boom, 400 and whatever other frames. You don't really need it, it's just cool to show off. Like 2, there we go, 400 and the really fast frames there. Cool. So, last thing I'm going to do is make a icon, and then that's going to be hopefully the stream ended by then, because I'm starving. I need some food in me because I will die. Alright, right there. I'm just going to check on the internet for a quick image. FNAF logo. There's all the ones, just not FNAF 1. There's FNAF 2, FNAF 3, FNAF 1. Let's go to this, let's go to the website. Download it from the website. Alright, yep. Oh, you have to log in. Save image. Let's just keep it inside the resource called logo, and then bring you guys back so you can see everything again. It's here, logo, and yeah, it's alright actually, resolution. So in here we'll copy the path. Logo equals that. Okay, now we will need to go to we'll just do it in the main, because that's where we create the window, and on the window is going to have it. So pg.display.set icon to logo, and then logo does not have a surface. We need to turn the logo into a surface. Logo equals pg.image.load. We need to import Pygame from Pygame. No, import Pygame. G. And hopefully now, boom, there we go. It's a little icon up there, and you can see it down there as well. Cool. Hover over it, there we go. You've got all the cool stuff. Look, if you go there, you can move it about. Go there, minimize, close, Alt F4, boom. So, in total, we have created the window, created a caption where you can see your FPS, created this, created a little glitch. Hover over this, you can get the cursor, click on it, you make the new game. You can go left or right, fan screens, you won't go off screen, and actually, also that I forgot to undo because we're debugging, because we're programmers in this stream. We will. Delta time, boom, you've also got the newspaper as well. So, at everything that we're going to do this stream, I am going to save this all to YouTube as well. So if you still want to know what my YouTube is, I'll show you everything. So my YouTube is, let's finish my YouTube, hopefully that still works. Yeah, that still works. And this, we got exclamation mark Discord, and that sends you to Discord. My Discord is just my normal Discord server. This is my Discord server where you can do anything. I've done it so boom, you've got a few people here, you've got memes, you've got general, you've got chat. I used to play muck a lot of people being stupid, and then that, and then you also get announcements every time when I'm gonna go live. All this, you see, as I told you, last time was Christmas last year. Almost few times later, or a few months later, it became this. And I'll show you my YouTube as well. My YouTube is this link, and if you click on this link, you'll send you to my YouTube. This is making my old Five Nights at Freddy's series, so if you're interested in looking at that, just go to it. My YouTube channel is this up there. I don't have, like, the only lives that I have is my old PS4 live streams, but I never talked on them, I don't think. Videos is mainly my doing the GTA heist, playing Terraria, muck, I was really good at muck, and then programming on Five Nights at Freddy's series. It was quite hard as well, to be honest. I haven't posted anything on community yet, no playlists, or they're my songs that I've favorited. About nothing, anything good. I've got a Twitch channel. Obviously, if you're just going to check out my Twitch, just hit Twitch. My Twitch, obviously, because you're watching it, you must know. Oh, there we go. Also, as well, where's my music? Also, we've got my Twitch channel. Only 117 followers. I used to have 300. Sad, to be honest. I should have started streaming more sooner. So I've got, obviously, my links here as well. If you can't be asked, type it in chat. So if you like the stream or want to see more programming, then literally a follow so you can get notifications that I'm going to be here. Anything else, it'll be fine. So thank you for watching this Twitch stream. I will be hopefully on tomorrow as well. I'm going to be going now and eating some food. As I said before, there will be no editing the code or anything. It will be only on stream when I do this. So if you miss it as well, just head to my YouTube channel. It will be all posted there as well, with the source code. So don't worry at all. I'll edit this as much as I can, hopefully. So thank you guys all for watching. Hope you enjoyed the stream. Have an amazing day. Anything else?